to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, so you won't miss anything. With that, hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you don't miss any of the videos that I post every single week. Now, let's get into my latest craze of the Amazon wig. Who knew is all I can say. I'm actually super impressed and in love with these new well, I'm gonna say new because they've been out there, but I never even thought to look at Amazon for wigs. I mean, shame on me? Maybe. So, let's talk about this ultra platinum wig, like almost beach white. So, let's just look at it before we get into the details. It's just like the Marilyn Monroe blonde. Like, that's all I can say about it. Marilyn Monroe blonde. So, yeah. And she's 24 inches. Oh my goodness. So honestly, what's really great when you have like a super long wig is that you can do whatever you want to. You can cut it, whatever you want. I mean, that's the beauty of it. You just treat it like, okay, here's how the wig is. Do I wanna, add some layers? Do I wanna cut a couple inches off? You literally have so much opportunity to custom to you. So this is from this brand right here. I think it's pronounced Morvally. Right here, comes in this really great bag. She is also with, what comes in the bag is 2 wig caps. So if you're running low or they go missing, definitely, it comes with 2 wig caps, which is really great. And also it comes with this, which is very helpful, a little information card. So like if you want to wash your wig, wearing the wig, keeping the wig detangled, blah, blah, blah. So literally it comes with this really great little tip right here. And then of course it does say that it has a natural hairline. Yes, I agree. Soft and silky. Yes. No shedding. Very minimal shedding for the amount of hair that is on here. It's a lot of hair, like a lot of hair. Heat resistant, it says that. I couldn't find any details on the specifics of the degree, but I would assume between 340 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That is about average. And it just says, fashion hair, blah, blah, blah. So, really great little card for you to read. So let's talk about the construction of the wig. So I did cut the lace off already, but the lace is blonde, very blonde, which is great. The inside of the wig, there she is. She has 2 clips on the side right here. And then of course she has the fasteners in the back. Okay, so let's put this wig on. So I'm actually in the process right now of finishing up one of my updates for my platinum hair root upgrade. So I have my wig cap here, which I did get from Amazon right here. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. Do check out the link down below. I'll have, of course, all the links down below for this, including, oh my God, how can I forget to talk about it earlier? I have a coupon code down there. So you can save an extra, I think it's 15% off. I have a coupon code in the description for this wig. So go get it. Okay, let's back it up a little bit because whoa, and I'm throwing stuff around because she is a long one. I mean, let's actually, why don't I just show you? Look at that. I mean, pretty amazing. Okay, enough of me talking. Okay. So this is like, this is down the center. As you know from my videos, I'm normally not a down the middle kind of girl, but I'm becoming more of a down the middle kind of girl because I'm just letting go of how I feel like it has to be. Clearly I do things differently, and why should I always part my hair on the same side every time? So So I have not done anything to this wig. I have not trimmed it, I haven't plucked it, I haven't done anything. So that's the beauty. Like honestly, you can make this look as natural as you want by you know, thinning out the front, plucking a little bit more of the center, adding more layers. Like literally, it's the oyster of possibilities of like literally having a wig that is like super abundant with like, you know, just the length and also the thickness that you can really just go at it with creating the best possible look. Okay, so let's take a look at how long she is. Well, pretty long, and she is pretty blonde. What do you guys think about this? So I'm gonna move this to the side that I normally put my hair on, which is this side. Which when I was playing with it, I did really like it on this side. Let me hide some of my hair. I feel like, actually, I would like to know what you ladies do to hide some of this right here. I feel like you have to kind of just like hide your ear a little bit. Is that what you ladies do with your wigs? Let me know, because I want to know. I'm not exactly sure what you ladies do to make it on the sides look more natural. So look at this. You can like really, you know, style it up. Whoa, yeah. Okay, I really dig this wig. I think it's so cool. I like how it is like super ultra platinum. It's the only ultra platinum wig that I have. So one thing I do want to kind of play around with is making the root, like just smudging it slightly. So I have my Morphe palette right here. Of course, you can choose any color you want. Also, what I will tell you, which is what I love with like a super platinum wig or like a colored wig, is that if you really wanted to have a blast and if you're a lot of fun, like me, like you could clearly do like a blue, an orange, a yellow, a pink root. I mean, you could really have a lot of fun with this or really make it pop, and I love it. So like for instance, this pink wig right here, I gave like an ultra hot pink root, and I love it with the hot pink root. So ever since I did that, I was like, I gotta do this more often. So I'm just gonna take like a standard brush right here. Like I said, I'm just gonna like smudge it out slightly. So I think I'm gonna just maybe try this color and again, so this is just clearly it's eyeshadow. So the beauty of eyeshadow is that you can just wash it out and also, you know, do another color. So you're not committed to, you know, if you want to do like a natural root and then let's say you want to experiment and do something a little bit more crazy, you can. And also this parting right here is 2.5 inches. And then it kind of like is straight like this. I just clearly just did like a very slight smudged of the root, which I honestly really like it like this. So of course I may darken it up later, but I like that it's just really soft of a root. Makes it look a little bit more natural, if you will, if that's the look that you're going for. So let me know what you guys think about this. Again, this wig is from Amazon. The link is down below, including my coupon code down below. So go get that coupon code and save some money and look fabulous. So of course everyone, thank you so much for watching. I super appreciate every single one of you. I honestly do. Leave me a comment down below to let me know if you have this wig or another wig by this brand. I really want to know because it's like all the craze right now for me and I'm totally obsessed with it. So again, follow me on Instagram down here where I post all the daily pictures and videos. Great way for you to reach out to me and share photos of you wearing wigs and your makeup looks and all that good stuff. So again, thank you and we will see you soon.